Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and I have a few items here to share with you from the Dollar Tree, and they are cool items. I bought these solar lights that I just love, and I'm going to share them with you. There's one that's on so that you can see how potent the light is, and I also bought some stickers. They are chalkboard stickers and they're all black. Look at these by Crafter Square. $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. So I am going to be making things in which these will come in really handy. Look at them. Oval black adhesive stickers. So I bought 2 of those. So back to these lights. Look at this one. This one is on. Now when I move it, it might turn off. Let's see. Oh no, it stayed on. Anyway, it operates with 1 AAA battery, which is the small one, and it's this one right here. This is a AAA battery, and that's all that it needs. So I placed this on one of my windows overnight to see, and look how potent it is. But what caught my attention, oh, and they come in brown too, brown and black. What caught my attention is that they stand alone either way you put them. You don't need a stake. You don't need to put it through the dirt so that they can stay up. And look at that, they look like bathroom doors or any other doors, but they do look like bathrooms in there. So this gave me the idea to come up with some type of bathroom in which this looks like it's a shower in there. And I have the brown ones too. I can position them like this. And this is the tag here. It says Garden Collection Solar Stair Light. So you can place these at the stairs. You can really place them anywhere you want. So I bought a few of the brown and a few of the black, and this is how potent it is. You can place them like this. And they have a little switch, on and off switch in the back. So yeah, so see how I place my hand near it? But it also stays on. So yeah, so these are great for $1.25. Solar lights. And I will be using these in future creations. You'll see them again. I also bought these little die-cast cars, 3 in 1 package. They're not Hot Wheels or Matchboxes, but they're cute. I bought them to give them away, actually. I know this little boy that in my family, and I'm going to be giving it to him. 3 die-cast cars, turbo wheels. And the last item is this. This is a pot and pan protector. There are 3 packs in here. So you put one, you place one in between each pan or pot that you have, and that'll protect the pots and pans. But I did not buy it for that reason. When I looked at this and I saw how perfectly round this is, like that, look at all the pieces. Look at these pieces. You see how they are? Now this here reminds me of a contour rug around the toilet. Now you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to place the camera here, and I'm going to get one of my toilets from one of my doll houses, and I'll bring it over to you so that you can see what I mean. So I have a doll house here. I should have a toilet. Yep. You know what? Let me get the fancier toilet. I have 2 toilets. Let's see. This one. Okay. So I have a toilet from one of my doll houses, right? This is the toilet. Now, I'm thinking that if I place it like that, look at that. Just like in real life, in your bathroom, you have a little contour rug right around the base of your toilet. So that's what I want to do. I want to place these little rugs, contour rugs, around the toilets of my doll houses. And I can also cut them in other shapes, maybe squared or rectangular, to make another rug, like a mat for the shower. You step out of the shower and there'll be a matching carpet or rug or mat. But this was the idea. You see what I'm saying? A contour rug around the base of the toilet bowl. And of course, anything else that comes to mind. I have enough to work with. And that's it. So we went over everything here. I hope that you have enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.